So Boisson is Brooklyn's first non-alcoholic spirit shop. We sell non-alcoholic spirits, wines, and beers. We're located here in Cobble Hill. It's a great neighborhood right near Manhattan. So at Boisson, our customers are a huge variety of folks, right? It's people that have decided that they want to be more mindful about their drinking. It's people that are taking another look at health and wellness and the way that alcohol affects their life. When you have a good cocktail, you're typically not having it alone, you're having it with friends, or you're having it for a reason. It's a celebration. It's a way to wind down at the end of the day. And what we find is our customers come in with not necessarily a flavor in mind, but more so with an experience that they want to have. And they've now got 80 or 100 options instead of what they used to have in a grocery store. And that's really why we're here. One of the trends that we've seen over the last couple of months has been an increase in curiosity from folks about building cocktails that they maybe used to drink or have never drank before at home. And so one of the key things that we have here at all of our Boisson locations is an amazing selection of home bar. Everything from cocktail glasses to shaker strainers and the tools that you actually need to build your home bar out. But more importantly than that, we don't just carry the traditional, rums and other spirits. What we actually do is make sure that we cover the full line, which is one of the things that we've been the most excited about with Lyre's, is that Lyre's actually brings for us a ton of the building blocks. So if you were to try to go build a non-alcoholic version of a classic cocktail, we have everything from, amaretto to absinthe. And all of those things allow you to take one for one the recipe that you're reading from a book that could have been written yesterday or could have been written 100 years ago, and you can actually build those cocktails at home. And the thing about Lyre's that we've found to be so incredible is that they take time and effort with every single product that they bring to market, and they happen to have brought to market dozens of products now that cover the full line of what you may need to build a cocktail. And so we're so excited to have every single Lyre's product in our store, because our customers can literally walk in here and walk out with all the ingredients that they need to make a Negroni, all the ingredients they need to make a classic daiquiri with one fell swoop. And so for us, having that broad reach of available products, high quality products, has been huge for us, and Lyre's has helped us do that.